yeah, let's have a glance on 10 July 2021 IELTS exam prediction. But before giving any kind of prediction, I would like to say you that what? Prediction is only guesswork. That is based on my long-term experience in IELTS field. मुझे आज भी याद है कि when I was small in my school, along with any other student, along with all the students, सारे students के साथ हम लोग अपने एग्जाम से पहले अपने टीचर्स को बोलते थे, मैम प्लीज कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बताइए. और हमारे टीचर्स हमें इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस बताते थे, बट ऑन वन कंडीशन, that we will not leave the preparation of other questions. So means our prediction is also based on that guesswork. So the condition is that please don't leave the preparation of other questions. Our teachers were giving us prediction, our teachers were giving us guesswork for motivating us. Similarly, we people means I'm also giving us guesswork for motivating you people. So हम लोग कैसे खुश हो जाते थे कि चलो जल्दी से ये क्वेश्चंस प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं, इसके बाद बाकी के बचे हुए क्वेश्चंस भी प्रिपेयर कर लेंगे. तो similarly, you people also, please prepare these questions, pay more attention on these types of questions, but along with that, please prepare other types of questions also. Now, let's go to listening 10 July 2021. It can be easy to moderate. Part 1 can be with blanks, no more than one word or no more than 2 words. Part 2 can be short multiple choice questions along with map. So map chances are more in your part 2 IELTS listening. Part 3 can be with large multiple choice questions along with matching, and part 4 can be with fill-ups. Yeah, part 3 and part 4 speech can be faster. So those people, those students who always get fear from the faster speed in their IELTS listening, if they are preparing their listening from YouTube videos, please increase the speed of those videos and then prepare. It is really helpful. Now let's go to reading. Reading 10 July 2021 can be moderate to tricky. Talking about academic reading, passage 1 can be with list of headings and true false not given. Passage 2 can be with reverse headings and yes no not given. Passage 3 can be with multiple choice questions along with summary completion and short answer questions. Those students who feel problem in list of headings and reverse headings, my video is already over there on my channel. Please watch those videos and follow all the techniques and the tips. I guarantee you, yeah, those tips are really very much useful for solving these kinds of questions. Now let's go to general reading. Yeah, general reading can be easier. Section 1, as we all know that section 1 contains 2 passages, can be with list of headings or reverse headings along with true false not given. Section 2, again 2 passages, can be with matchings or multiple choice questions along with short answer questions and fill in the blanks. Section 3, same as academic students get, the length of the passages is same. It can be with reverse headings along with fill-ups and along with yes no not given. Now talking about writing. Academic writing, task 1 can be letter description, line graph, pie chart, bar chart or table graph, or the combination of any of these 2 or any of these 3. Yeah, task 2, same for academic and general version students. Task 2, the topics of the essays can be education, globalization, crime, children, family, technology or health. And the types of essays can be agree, disagree, or to what extent do you agree, disagree. Both sides with opinion, advantages, disadvantages, and pay more attention on problem and solution. General task 1 can be formal letter. Any problem, any question, please comment me in the comment box. Yes, speaking cue cards, today I'm going to give you the guesswork. Speaking cue cards can be describe your favorite animal or bird, the time you felt bored, the job you would like to do in future, and a live sport event you have seen. Till the time, bye-bye, take care and best of luck. Any question, comment me in the comment box. And please, if you feel good, please subscribe, share and comment on the video.